Industrial.
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 Industrial can be an adjective or a noun. As an adjective, industrial can mean 1. Of or relating to industry, notably manufacturing. 2. Produced by such industry. 3. Used by such industry. 4. Suitable for use in such industry, industrial grade. 5. Massive in scale or quantity. 6. Employed as manpower by such industry. 7. Having many industries, industrialized. 8. Belonging or pertaining to the genre of industrial music. As a noun, industrial can mean 1. An employee in industry. 2. An enterprise producing tangible goods or providing certain services to industrial companies. 3. A bond or stock issued by such a company. 4. A film made for use within an industry, not for a movie-going audience. 5. Industrial music. 6. An industrial piercing.
But modern industrial fishing,